Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Chido, and to all my Tony subscribers, hi. How are you? What's good? What's popping? I miss you, and I know you miss me too. Today I'm going outside because yesterday there was a snowstorm and I didn't manage to go outside and build a snowman. And I want to go outside and build a snowman, but Fungai won't let me, so I'm just gonna go outside and just take a walk in the snow, maybe take some pictures in the snow, since snow likes to flirt with me and show up once every god knows how long. So you know, it might be another year until I see it, so gotta get in all my snow pics so I look cute. And I'm going to go take pictures in the snow, then take a small walk and just be outside, because yesterday literally there was a lot of like 12-15 inches of snow by the door, so we couldn't really like go outside and stuff. And the roads and everything were all covered in snow, so you weren't really gonna be walking anywhere. So I'm just waiting for Fungai to finish making his smoothie and then we can go. I got something in the mail I wanted to show you guys, but I haven't opened it, so let's sit down so we can open it together. It's a book. It's called It Ends With Us. It got really good reviews. It says it's a #1 on New York Times bestseller. Let me just read the back. It says here, sometimes the one who loves you is the one who hurts you the most. Lily hasn't always had it easy, but that's never stopped her from working hard for the life she wants. She comes a long way from the small town in Maine where she grew up, graduated from college, moved to Boston, and started her own business. So when she feels a spark with the gorgeous neurosurgeon named Ryle Kincaid, okay, that sounds like Kyle, but anyway, Ryle Kincaid, everything in Lily's life suddenly seems a bit too good to be true. Ryle is assertive, stubborn, maybe even a little arrogant. He's also sensitive, brilliant, and has a total soft spot for Lily. But Ryle's complete aversion to relationships is disturbing. As questions about her new relationship overwhelm her, so do thoughts of Atlas Corrigan, her first love and linked to the past she left behind. He was her kindred spirit, her protector. When Atlas suddenly reappears, everything Lily has built with Ryle is threatened. With this bold, deeply personal novel, Colleen Hoover delivers a heart-wrenching story that breaks exciting new ground for her as a writer. It Ends With Us is an unforgettable tale of love that comes at the ultimate price. So, yeah, I want to read this, but after I finish reading the other 3 books that I'm supposed to be reading. Like, I'm halfway through with The Subtle Art of Giving a F. And I want to start reading, what's the other one that I took out? Bamboozled by Jesus. And what's the third one that I'm supposed to be reading? Oh yeah, I think this one can be the third one for now. So I'm a bit tired. Like, I know I said that I don't like cold weather, but I lied. It was all a lie. I think what I don't like is, let me rephrase that. Cold weather on its own, I hate it. I really don't like it. That wasn't a lie. But when there's snow, I'm happy. So I think I just like the snow. So let's go. Guys, do I look pretty? I do, don't I? Look at my skin. It's glistening. My teeth be looking white. Crisp white, as if I took a teeth whitening strip or something. Oh, I look so pretty. Thank you. Anyway, let's go. Ish, my skin. Yo, guys, melanin. Oh my goodness, I should be a model. Child, I need lip gloss. Quick outfit of the day. You know me, I'm wearing these leather pants, got them from Fashion Nova. I hate the fact that the inside thing keeps popping up. Tucked in, wearing a sweater on top, and you know me. Told you guys, whenever you see me, just know that that's what I'm wearing underneath. I have a lot of them in different colors. So anyway, and then obviously a scarf. Then this cardigan, gonna wear gloves, hence the no rings, because there's no point. And then I'm going to wear this coat on top. I don't think it fits. Oh, that's awkward. I think that my entire outfit just came to a crumbling halt. So this coat won't fit right now because again I gained weight. 1, 2, I think it won't fit with the baggage inside, so I have to change jackets. So what should I do? Let's try a different one. Okay, so this jacket and this, I got them both from H&M. So that's me, and then I'm wearing snow boots. Got those from Timberland. Okay, now I'm ready. Now we can go. Do you wanna walk to the Princeton thing? Or it's a bit too far?
Do we need anything there?
That would deposit a money.
For what?
Bank account mango.
How much?
$4. $4. Fungari so judgmental. Now because the need to deposit mari yangu, just because I know one don't get mari yako, it's not worthy. It's fine, I'll walk to the ATM myself tomorrow and deposit my $4. Some of us need money for Valentine's Day because I don't need Maria Valentine's. Seriously?
You know I meant what I meant.
No, I don't know, because boy,
don't be so sensitive.
It's cold outside, but the fake sunlight keeps us warm. We're going. Oh, please switch on my what attended again?
I felt like there was a caveat.
Oh, ndibachi zero Apple Watch yangu for a walk.
Okay.
I still have time to beat my 10,000 calorie thing.
You're gonna have to hold your camera there.
I have like 2 days. Look, we're matching. I styled him, ladies and gentlemen. Now tell us, what are you wearing? I'm not lying, it's true. I think that's a clothes. Now tell us what you're wearing. What are you wearing? Oh, by the feet there, he's got Timberland snow boots. High quality, you know. Hey, they're and then he's wearing Fabletics pants, very comfortable. Underneath those pants, he's got his thermals on because he likes to stay warm. This jacket, ladies and gentlemen, is from Boohoo Man. The beanie is from Chido's closet, but from Chido's closet, it is also from H&M.
Why you lying?
It is.
Why you lying?
Or is it from AliExpress? I think this one is the one that's from AliExpress.
Clearly, that's not.
Guys, I bought beanies from AliExpress for like 50 cents, so I bought like a lot of them.
50 cents, how many?
Took about, I think I got 6.
50 cents?
No, for one, 50 cents for one. It took about a month for them to get here, but for 50 cents, that's worth it. After all, they're just beanies anyway. There's no difference between this beanie and the one from H&M and the one from Fashion Nova. Quality, you know. And then on the inside, I think your collar is from ASOS.
Yeah. And the problem with the world is no one is perfect, right?
Yeah.
No one in this world, maybe there's something to talk about Tagarapat.
Okay.
But no one in this world is perfect. First thing, just get that right, including the people watching this video.
And me.
So, Kanye is like any other human being. He has his own faults, challenges, and traumas. But I choose to focus on the positive.
Yeah.
He inspires me to be great, to have confidence in myself. Let's go this way. He's always believed in himself. I remember, I was telling you last night, I remember in 2012, 2013, when he said he wanted to build brand Yeezy to be bigger than Jordan. People laughed at him. And look at about 10 years later, Yeezy's exactly what he said. I remember he said he wanted to get into fashion. People like he should stay in rapping. Now he's one of the biggest fashion designers. I remember when he was just a producer making beats for, Mary J. Blige, Jay-Z, all your Keisha Cole. He was just a music producer.
Hey, Keisha Cole was good. I loved her music.
All those dope songs by Keisha, Kanye produced those. When he wanted to be a rapper, people told him, no, stay in producing. But he constantly achieved what he wanted. I've always felt like that. People have told me to kind of like stay in my lane. Like, hey, you'll never be able to do this. And I'd always achieve what I said I would, right? And I kind of identified that in Kanye. That's why I love him, man. Music, yeah, not every song he makes is amazing. Actually, it is, in my mind. But not every song will hit, right? If you don't like it, fast forward, right? But for me, it sticks. It sticks.
Yeah.
It's more than just the beat, or it's more than just the lyrics. It's the whole complete body of work.
Yeah.
That's why I love me some Kanye.
Okay, so why is it when he behaves the way he does and says some things that he does, you don't call him out for it?
Literally, that's the first thing I spoke about, right? I was like, everyone has faults. That's the first thing I said. And I choose to focus on the positive.
But focusing on the positive doesn't negate the negative, though.
I didn't. My point is, when you choose to focus on the positive, it's
whoa! That's the
lighting is fire.
The lake.
Focus here. What are you saying?
That's the lake. I love you guys and I appreciate each and every one of you. And one day when I become rich, I'm gonna give away a Benz.
Just one.
3.
What kind of Benz? Like old Benz?
Brand new, baby, not even pre-owned. Okay, maybe pre-owned, but but I'm still gonna give away bins. Mark my words. I believe that one day when I'm super blessed, I'm gonna give away a bins. I'm gonna give away money for health aid. I'm gonna help people who
you haven't shared on one side of your face.
Is my melanin popping? Is my melanin popping, Daddy?
Now we're gonna go back, join this young lady. I don't know if you can see her. But yeah, there she is. You can see what she's doing. I know she's dancing. She's dancing. What is she doing? I think she's sneak picking selfies. Babe, what are you doing? She says she's taking pictures. Anyway, let me go join in on the fun. Let's go. How do I make it lean down? How do I make it lean down?
What do you mean? Udogara pasi.
Yeah.
So just reduce the thing, make it on.
Can you do that for me, camera team?
What's wrong with what? Sit down, let's see.
It's too far. Might not need to fix it. Please turn into video. How's it turn alright? Alright, let me bring it closer to myself. Sniff 4 times and then hold your breath.
It's not COVID, I swear. Go, babe.
Hi guys, it's Fungai Finance here. What should I say actually?
What do you want to talk about?
Introductory video. I'm gonna chop it up.
No, the introductory one. I want you to do the "My Name Is Hold" one because it's easier. That one, Unengo Chimba song, and then I'll just put in the things after you've thought about it because that one needs you to think about it properly.
Okay, I have a bunch of questions I need to answer. People ask me. Yes,
that we can do, guys. No, please, just look at me. Now, when I tell you I hate winter, I don't hate winter. I hate winter without the snow because the snow loves me. Okay, I don't know where to put this. I don't know where I can put you guys so that we can sit and do things.
I think then that table, that's when it comes into conversation.
The bench, right?
So educate us on how I can buy shares, or it's something you would advise.
Oh yes, okay.
Then another one was there was another one. Where is it? Okay, I'll start with what is inflation. Just start there.
Or you can just talk about what you want to do.
On the page.
Yeah, 2022. What you can expect from you.
Alright. Let me start. Now, let me just freestyle, then I'll chop it up, right?
Yeah. You think too much. Don't think too hard.
3, 2, 1, go. Hi guys, my name is Fungai. Fungai Mjiti, affectionately known as Fungai Finance on this page. The reason why I started this page is to educate people on finances at every level. Entry level, you don't have to have studied finance, accounting, taxes. But this page is to help every single person who's going to follow. So stay tuned, hit the follow button, and don't forget to like and share any content that I put out that you relate to. That's number one. The mandatory sniff.
Okay, number 2.
Alright, let's talk.
Basics of finance.
My bum is
Basic of financial management in life. Like talk about what to do with your paycheck.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's talk about finances 101. Let's start with basics. Right? If you want to manage your finances, obviously you need to know how to do numbers, but you don't have.
Rude. So rude. I know, right?
I bet you did it on purpose.
Honestly. Anyway, continue, babe. It's okay.
Oh, my ass is out. Literally.
Sunga kachichi scarf yangu ansikuchida uchifika. Ande tinogara uko. Tobva tagara pamusoro page.
Apapo.
Because I'm not as cold, so I don't actually need to wear 2 jerseys.
Alright, let's go.
But Tagura the third one. Please.
The third one?
Each and shares with
I was going to sit this way because the other side is shadow. This will move this. Let me move.
Can you move it though?
Okay. Because your man is strong.
Ooh, babe. Okay. Right there. Febreze. Oh! Ooh.
Imagine, look at a puppy, you're right in the middle.
You sit here. Next to me.
That's what I'm saying. Sit down, sit down. On what am I sitting on?
Can I have my jacket? I'm now starting to feel a bit chilly. Hell, you can even sit on the scarf. I don't really care for it right now. Ooh! That did not bode well.
Now, it's a bit of a shadow, but we can edit that shit out.
I wrote all of them down on my desk.
This will have to be
Grief.
even better. There we go. Man, I'm a genius. Damn it. Why?
Because now my hands are bored.
Okay, here's yours.
But yours doesn't have memory though.
True.
That's the only reason why.
The minute you take your hands out of your gloves, you're gonna start freezing.
Apparently, yours also doesn't have that much battery either.
Alright, so let me quickly talk. Do like 2 minutes of this and then we're hopping. You can pay attention.
Babe, I live with you.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright guys, let's talk about personal finances 101. Now, simply you need to know mathematics. You don't have to be a genius at it. Every phone has a calculator. Number 2, you need to have an understanding of accounting. Now, you don't have to have studied accounting 101 in college or whatever. However, you should have a basic understanding of what's an income, what's an expense. And then next, you need to understand what taxes are, how they're charged, what percentage of it you pay. Was it not recording?
It was. You keep pressing.
I only pressed it once if you're a freezer.
Check. Yeah, well, get your fingers out that thing.
My fingers are cold.
Can you stop? I'm still working out. Oh my goodness.
Alright, let's talk about finances 101. Let's stop. That's what it did.
Jeez. Okay, end workout.
In the poser. I paused it.
But don't go in the gym. To consider going to gymnast.
I need to work tonight. Plus, I need to clean the bathroom. No, you can go to the gym. I just can't join you. Or for going or doing like 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes is fine.
But I'll go after Ndashand.
It's okay, babe. In the Gamborambe, going to gym kuma midnight. Anti ndo zvandinoda ndo spiloni yangu yekuenda gym kuma midnight saka uya tiite tichita tichikurumidza so that because atidi kuti tizorware.
Alright. What are taxes? Taxes are
My face.
So what are we?
It's doing that thing where it goes frozen.
So what are we talking about? What's the topic? Ruto Chema. Oh, shame. You wanna go?
No.
Close your eyes. Turn, yeah?
Your hands are cold.
Let's go build a snowman. Oh yeah, we are building a snowman.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Let me interview you.
Okay.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's do a Q&A.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Fungai Show. On the Tonight Show with Fungai. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Tonight Show, or this afternoon show.
I'm gonna get frostbite.
So, I had a few questions for you that most men would like to know.
Yeah.
You're freezing, innit? Should we tap out?
No, I want to stay.
I can't interview you with your hands on your ears.
I can hear you. Don't worry.
All right. So, why do women friend zone guys that like them?
What do you mean?
Let's go. I'm calling this quits, guys. She can't do too well in the cold. Look at that.
Okay, let's go.
This is the same person. She came to me saying, "Do you wanna be the snowman?"
Let's go.
Alright, out. Peace.
Kupisa butu zangu.
Move your leg. I need to attend to my fingers before they fall off.
Take off the gloves.
I can't. Those are loose. I can't hold anything cold right now, man.
Okay, let me take the. Thank you. Let me take them off. You're gonna. Let me take them off for you.
Shit.
Thank you.
Blue black.
Huh?
There's like blue black.
What is the kanda?
Before I did that though.
Could you?
My fingers are.
Okay, come.
No, I'm not coming. Do you want my hands?
Do you want me to switch on the AC?
No, don't. Please. Unless you want it.
Saka, usikуда got my pancakes.
Are they for me? I don't know.
That's it, you got one.
Where?
Do you want pancakes? And you were like, yeah, I'll eat them after I have my coffee.
I said that?
Oh my goodness. You really gotta have that memory. It feels checked out right now. It's out of commission. Baby, 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 when you touch me like this. Do you know, I've decided, part of the reason why I've decided to really like go forward with this whole sharing my weight loss journey on social media is actually mostly for myself, because I feel like, you know, when you do something and it's behind closed doors, sometimes you don't, if it fails, you don't feel much conviction about it if it fails, because, well, nobody knew I was trying to do it anyway. But because someone else knows and other people know and people are going to hold you accountable to it, and it makes people look at you some type of way if you don't achieve it, you're more inclined to pushing yourself to doing it. You know what I mean? Because there's no point in showing people that you're trying to lose weight and then 2 months later you've completely given up and walked away from it. So it really does help. Like, so